Hello guys, let's talk about the letter U, which is the 21st letter of the alphabet. U is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter U has a shape that looks like a curved line with a short line on its right side. It is important to remember how to draw the letter U correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter U makes a special sound, the U sound. This sound is made by opening your mouth and making a short, relaxed sound with your vocal cords. Some common words that start with the letter U include umbrella, uniform, and unicorn. Words that have the letter U in them are all around us. We might use an umbrella to stay dry on a rainy day, or wear a uniform to school or work. We might also read a book about a magical unicorn, or learn about different types of underwater creatures in science. Remembering the letter U is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big U for the letter U, and get ready to continue exploring the wonderful world of language. Please, don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you!